Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. There is no success without suffering. I think that the word suffering was meant to mean tremendous effort and direction. A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere till you change it. Your world is a living expression of how you're using and have used your mind. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. A person who does not read is no better than one who cannot read. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. What happens inside always appears outside. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord. You are, at this moment, standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. It is in the expectations of happiness that much of happiness is found, and it takes courage to expect happiness. To give oneself is the only way of becoming oneself. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. By being persistent, you are demonstrating faith. Persistence is simply another word for faith. If you didn't have faith, you would never persist. When the days are too short, chances are you're living at your best. Open your ears before you open your mouth. It may surprise your eyes. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Control your thoughts. Decide about that which you will think and concentrate upon. You are in charge of your life, to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. Security isn't what the wise person looks for. It's opportunity. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. We must radiate success before it'll come to us. We must first become mentally, from an attitude standpoint, the people we wish to become. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before the change. You can measure opportunity with the same yardstick that measures the risk involved. They go together.